Hey there, fellow travellers. Welcome back to Travelling Heavens. Today, we're diving into the ultimate summer destination, the beautiful island of Crete in Greece. From its rich history and vibrant culture to its stunning landscapes and mouth-watering cuisine, Crete has something for everyone. So pack your bags and join us as we explore why you should visit Crete this summer and how to make the most of your trip. And as always, in the end of this video, we'll estimate the cost for a complete vacation to Crete, including the expenses of flights and accommodations. And don't worry, we'll cover estimates for travellers from every continent, ensuring everyone can plan their dream getaway within their budget. First things first, why Crete? This island, the largest in Greece, is a treasure trove of experiences. Here are just a few reasons why Crete should be at the top of your summer travel list. Crete is home to the ancient Minoan civilization, one of the earliest in Europe. Visit the Palace of Knossos and the Archaeological Museum of Heraklion to explore fascinating Minoan artifacts and ruins. Beyond the Minoan sites, the old towns of Heraklion, Chania, and Rethymnon showcase a mix of Byzantine, Venetian, and Ottoman influences. Crete's beaches are some of the most stunning in the world. Elafonissi Beach is famous for its pink sand and clear waters, while Balos Lagoon offers breathtaking views of turquoise waters and white sand. Vi Beach features Europe's largest natural palm forest, and Preveli Beach combines a lush river delta with pristine sea waters. Cretan cuisine is a celebration of fresh, local ingredients. Enjoy traditional dishes like dakos, moussaka, and fresh seafood paired with local cheeses such as graviera and mizithra. Don't forget to try sweet treats like kalitsunia and honey-drenched loukoumades and experience the local spirit, raki. For adventure seekers, Crete offers hiking, snorkeling, and sailing. The Samaria Gorge is one of Europe's longest, providing an epic hike through stunning landscapes. The island's clear waters are perfect for snorkeling and diving, revealing vibrant marine life. Sailing along Crete's coastline uncovers hidden beaches and scenic coves. Experience the legendary Cretan hospitality in traditional villages like Archaeological, Anogea, and Vamos. These villages preserve their traditional architecture and customs, offering a glimpse into a slower pace of life. Enjoy local festivals, music, dance, and warm interactions with the locals. Now, let's dive into the top things to do in Crete. Here are our must-see recommendations. Start your adventure in Heraklion, the island's capital. Visit the Koules Fortress, a massive Venetian fort that has guarded the harbour since the 16th century. Wander through the old town's narrow streets, filled with shops, cafes, and vibrant street art. Don't miss the Morosini Fountain in Lions Square, a popular gathering spot for locals and tourists alike. Next, head to Chania, one of Crete's most picturesque cities. The Venetian harbour, with its charming lighthouse and colourful buildings, is perfect for a leisurely stroll. Visit the Maritime Museum to learn about Crete's naval history, and explore the narrow alleys of the old town, lined with boutiques and tavernas. For a unique experience, check out the old Jewish quarter and the ETZ Hayim synagogue. Nature lovers, don't miss hiking the Samaria Gorge. This 16-kilometre trek takes you through a breathtaking canyon with towering cliffs and lush vegetation. Along the way, you'll encounter diverse wildlife, including the elusive krikri, a wild goat native to Crete. The hike ends at the village of Agia Rumeli, where you can cool off with a swim in the Libyan Sea. For a day of relaxation, visit Balos Lagoon, one of Crete's most iconic spots. Accessible by boat or a scenic hike, Balos boasts stunning turquoise waters and pristine white sand. Spend the day swimming, sunbathing, and exploring the nearby islet of Gramvousa, which features a Venetian fortress offering panoramic views. Rethymnon is another must-visit city, blending rich history with a lively atmosphere. Stroll through the old town's labyrinthine streets, admire the well-preserved Venetian and Greek architecture, and visit the Fortezza, a massive fortress with stunning views of the city and sea. Don't miss the Rimondi Fountain, a beautiful Venetian-era fountain in the heart of the old town. Finally, immerse yourself in Cretan cuisine. Visit local markets, such as the Chania Municipal Market, to sample fresh produce and local delicacies. Try traditional dishes at family-run tavernas, and consider taking a cooking class to learn how to prepare Cretan specialties yourself. For a truly authentic experience, participate in a farm-to-table tour, where you can see how ingredients are sourced and prepared. Now that you're sold on visiting Crete, let's talk prices. Knowing how much you'll need to spend can help you plan better and enjoy your vacation without any financial surprises. The cost of flights to Crete can vary significantly depending on where you're flying from. Here are some of the cheapest options we found using flight comparison tools. Round-trip flights to Crete from North America typically cost around $580 to $630. From Europe, prices can be as low as $150 to $200. Travelers from Asia can expect to pay approximately $700 to $800. Flights from Australia are usually around $1,200 to $1,300. For those coming from South America, the cost is approximately $1,000 to $1,100. These prices are approximate and subject to change based on the airline, booking time, and availability. For the best deals, it's recommended to use flight comparison tools like Skyscanner, Kiwi, Kayak, or Google Flights, and to book well in advance. It is important to note that Crete has two airports, Heraklion and Chania. Prices are similar for both airports, so your choice will depend on the location of your accommodation. Once you've figured out how to get to Crete, you'll need a place to stay. Crete offers a wide range of accommodations to suit every budget. Here's a breakdown of average prices per night for different types of accommodations. You can find budget hotel rooms and hostel beds starting from as low as $20 to $50 per night. These are great for solo travelers or those looking to save money on accommodation. Mid-range hotel rooms typically cost between $60 and $120 per night. These hotels often offer more amenities, such as breakfast, Wi-Fi, and sometimes a pool. For a more luxurious stay, expect to pay anywhere from $150 to $400 per night. These high-end hotels and resorts offer premium services, stunning views, and top-notch facilities. If you prefer a more home-like experience, vacation rentals range from $50 per night for a modest apartment to $300 per night for a luxury villa with a private pool. When booking your accommodation, consider the location and amenities that are most important to you. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly hostel in the city or a luxury resort by the beach, Crete has something for everyone. We always recommend to use sites like Booking, Kayak, and Hotels combined to find your ideal accommodation. The total cost for all the activities mentioned is approximately $430 per person. We calculated these prices using sites like Get Your Guide, Voyage Tips, and Definitely Greece. Of course, you can select your favorite activities that fit your budget to significantly reduce the overall cost. Lastly, let's discuss the cost of food and drinks. Indulging in the culinary delights of Crete, you can expect to spend approximately $36 per day. This includes savouring a delicious meal at a mid-range restaurant, enjoying a flavourful street food snack, sipping on a rich cup of coffee, refreshing yourself with a local beer, and relishing a glass of fine Cretan wine. This combination of food and drinks offers a delightful taste of the island's diverse and vibrant cuisine. Bonus tip: rent a car to explore the island at your own pace. Just remember, in Crete, you'll get the full experience. Breathtaking views, stunning beaches, and a driving challenge that makes Mario Kart look like a Sunday drive. Crete is a magical destination that offers a perfect blend of history, culture, nature, and cuisine. Whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, or a bit of both, this island has it all. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your trip to Crete this summer and get ready for an unforgettable experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel inspiration. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and happy travels.